The 2 best AI business ideas to start with ChatGPT this summer with $0. Are you looking for the next big thing in business? Something innovative, exciting, and futuristic? Look no further, because we have got something that will blow your mind. This summer in 2023, we are bringing you the 2 best AI business ideas to start with ChatGPT. Imagine being able to create an AI-powered business that takes care of everything for you, leaving you with more time to focus on what really matters, building your brand and creating great content. And the best part, you don't need to be an AI expert or have any technical skills. ChatGPT takes care of everything for you, making it easy to get started and scale up your business. But what are these 2 amazing business ideas? We can't tell you just yet. We want to keep you curious and on the edge of your seat. All we can say is that they are both unique, innovative, and incredibly exciting. With ChatGPT's cutting-edge AI technology, you will be able to create something truly special, something that sets you apart from the competition and takes your business to the next level. So, are you ready to join the AI revolution? Subscribe to our channel now to learn more about these amazing AI-powered business ideas, and take the first step towards creating your very own AI empire. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated, because you don't want to miss out on all the incredible things that are coming your way. Idea 1. AI Automated YouTube Channel. The world of YouTube has become increasingly competitive in recent years, with more and more creators vying for views and subscribers. As a result, it has become harder than ever to stand out from the crowd and make a name for yourself in the platform. However, with the power of AI, you can gain an edge over the competition and create a fully automated YouTube channel that generates high-quality content without the need for any human intervention. One of the key tools that can help you achieve this is Social Blade. Social Blade is a web-based analytics platform that provides statistics and analysis of YouTube channels. It is an excellent tool for creators who want to know more about their channels, as well as those of their competitors. One of the most successful YouTube channels is MrBeast, which is known for its entertaining and viral content. By using Social Blade, we can see the statistics and profits of MrBeast's channel. MrBeast's channel has over 151 million subscribers, and its videos have been viewed over 25.6 billion times. It is ranked 5th on Social Blade's rank, and it is the 66th most subscribed channel on YouTube. The channel's content falls under the entertainment category, and it was created in February 2012. MrBeast's estimated monthly earnings range from $308,100 to $4.9 million, and its estimated yearly earnings range from $3.7 million to $59.2 million. Social Blade also provides a breakdown of the channel's daily, weekly, and monthly averages of subscribers, video views, and estimated earnings. For example, over the last 30 days, MrBeast's channel gained over 9 million subscribers, had over 1.2 billion video views, and earned between $308,100 and $4.9 million. By analyzing MrBeast's statistics on Social Blade, we can see what type of content works well for his channel, as well as how much he earns from his content. This information can help other creators in the same genre or niche to optimize their channels and increase their earnings. Another essential tool for any YouTube creator is Vidic. This AI-powered platform allows you to optimize your videos for search and discovery, helping you reach a wider audience and increase your views and subscribers. With Vidic, you can easily identify the best keywords and tags for your content, as well as analyze your competitors' strategies to stay one step ahead of the game. But what about creating the actual content for your channel? This is where ChatGPT comes in. This cutting-edge AI technology allows you to generate high-quality written content in a matter of seconds. Simply type in a topic or keyword, and ChatGPT will generate a script for your video. This makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality content on a regular basis, without the need for any writing skills or expertise. Of course, creating written content is only one part of the equation. To truly stand out on YouTube, you need to create engaging and visually appealing videos. Pictory AI offers a solution for creators who may not have the experience or resources to produce high-quality videos on their own. I have tried Pictory AI for creating videos and was impressed with the results. The AI-generated video was visually stunning and kept viewers engaged for an average of 3 minutes, which is a great indicator of success on the platform. One of the benefits of using Pictory AI is its simplicity, making it a great tool for beginners. The platform's AI technology can generate a full video with B-roll and other visual elements from a script, eliminating the need for actual footage or recording. This not only saves time but also helps creators to produce high-quality videos consistently. For those interested in trying Pictory AI, using the promo code 8EW1X will provide a discount. Overall, Pictory AI is a powerful and effective tool for creating visually appealing videos on YouTube, even if you have no prior experience in video editing or production. With these powerful AI tools at your disposal, you can create a fully automated YouTube channel that generates high-quality content without the need for any human intervention. And with the ability to create thousands of pieces of content every single day, you can take your channel to new heights and gain an edge over the competition. In the long term, it's clear that AI will become an essential tool for any YouTube creator looking to succeed on the platform. Idea 2. Creating AI short videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Creating short AI videos for YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram is a trending method of making money online. With the help of affiliate marketing, you can earn a decent amount of money through your videos. This process involves choosing the right affiliate marketing platform, creating videos using AI tools, and promoting your videos on social media platforms. The first step in making money through short AI videos is to choose an affiliate marketing platform such as Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is one of the most popular affiliate marketing platforms on the internet today. It offers a wide range of products and services that you can promote as an affiliate. These products and services are designed to help you earn commissions for every sale that you make through your affiliate link. When you sign up for Warrior Plus, you'll have access to a range of products in various fields, including health, wealth, and personal development. You can browse through these products and choose the ones that you feel are a good fit for your audience. It's important to choose an offer that is relevant to your niche and will appeal to your target audience. Once you've chosen an offer to promote, you can start creating content for your videos. This content should be informative and engaging, and it should highlight the benefits of the product or service you're promoting. You can use a tool like ChatGPT to generate ideas for your content, or you can create your own content based on your own experience and knowledge. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to create content that provides value to your audience. This means that you should focus on educating your audience about the product or service you're promoting, rather than just trying to sell them something. When you provide value to your audience, they'll be more likely to trust you and consider your recommendations. Once you have your content ready, it's time to create your videos. You can use a tool like Pictory AI or Canva to create short videos that showcase the product or service you're promoting. Pictory AI is a powerful video generator that allows you to create stunning videos without the need for any actual footage or recording. Canva, on the other hand, is a graphic design tool that allows you to create beautiful videos and graphics with ease. It offers a range of templates and design elements that you can use to create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. While both Pictory AI and Canva are great tools for creating videos, it's worth noting that Canva gives you more control over your videos. With Canva, you can customize every aspect of your video, from the text and fonts to the images and transitions. This can be especially useful if you want to create videos that are tailored to your brand and your audience. There is a recent method that has been spreading on YouTube about how to create multiple short videos in minutes using Canva and ChatGPT. In the video description, I will leave a link to a YouTuber who explained how to create 50 short videos in just 2 minutes using VDQ, ChatGPT, and Canva. Once you have your videos ready, it's time to start promoting them. You can share your videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and you can also promote them on your blog or website. It's important to use the right hashtags and keywords to help your videos reach the right audience. You can also use paid advertising to promote your videos and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and creating short AI videos is a great way to promote your affiliate offers. By using a platform like Warrior Plus to find suitable offers, ChatGPT to generate ideas and content, and Pictory AI or Canva to create your videos, you can quickly and easily create high-quality videos that will engage your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Both Idea 1 and Idea 2 offer great opportunities for content creators to make their mark on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. With the help of AI tools like ChatGPT and Pictory AI, it has become easier than ever to create high-quality videos without extensive technical skills or expertise. Idea 1 offers a fully automated YouTube channel that can save time and effort while generating consistent content, while Idea 2 focuses on creating short and engaging videos for different social media platforms. However, the fact remains that more than 90% of viewers on these platforms are not subscribed, highlighting the importance of creating unique and engaging content to capture and retain viewers' attention. If you're interested in trying Pictory AI, don't forget to use the promo code for a discount.